Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here at the Money Show in Philadelphia. I'm with Eric Basmajian. He's a analyst at FA Trader. It's fatrader.com, right?
That's right.
And your outlook for interest rates is not up.
Yeah, so
what's the story? Well, I mean, they're down pretty low. How are they going to go lower?
yeah, so interest rates typically decline when growth decelerates. We've been in a downturn since January 2018, and the leading indicators are suggesting that downturn is going to continue.
Talking about a GDP downturn type thing, or
A deceleration in GDP growth, exactly. This downturn started in manufacturing, but in the US, we've now seen that leak into other areas. So we've seen income growth start to decelerate, and non-farm payrolls growth, employment, is actually at a 96-month low. So the question here,
so the growth,
rate in employment is at a 96-month
right?
low.
Everyone's employed now.
That, but there's also a lot of people outside of the labor workforce that are not employed. And if we were at full employment, we'd likely see income growth accelerate rather than decelerate.
And we're not seeing that.
And we're not seeing that. So we're seeing income growth decelerate.
Okay.
The question here is this decline in employment growth and is this decline in income growth going to derail consumption growth? And that's the pressing question. And
So
that's probably the question that determines whether we go into a recession or not a recession.
We're talking about consumer spending when you
That's
say
correct.
consumption growth. So what are the indicators? What's the signs that will tell you that we're heading that way, and or not?
So
What are you looking at?
We're looking at the manufacturing downturn. It's probably going to continue. And for that, we look at things like new orders or new commitments and the price of industrial sensitive
The
materials.
ISM stuff?
ISM stuff, that would be more, we'd be looking for data that leads the ISM. So given that we're likely to see this manufacturing downturn decline, if we start to see these payrolls in manufacturing start to decline,
Right.
then that feeds into income and ultimately consumption. So early indicators like new orders, raw material prices are not suggesting that new demand is there yet.
We're not seeing the PPI go up. That's the raw material prices you're looking at, right?
Yep, so I'm looking at baskets of actual commodities which influence the PPI,
Okay.
which continues to decelerate. That's correct.
And so your outlook right now is, where do you see interest rates going?
Interest rates are going to keep declining. We don't put exactly a point forecast on there. Our forecast would be as long as the growth rate continues to head lower, interest rates are going to follow. We could see, below 1.5%, make a new low, below 1.3%.
Are we going to end up being like Japan or go negative like there are other parts of the world?
That's the question. Secular economic trends like demographics and productivity are heading the way of Japan and Europe. So with similar ingredients, you may get a similar
What about
result.
all you and your millennial generation? I mean, you're millennial, I was assuming.
Yeah,
I thought they were all getting smart and financial and buying stuff and looking for houses now.
Yeah, the jobs with the income growth aren't there anymore. So we see payrolls every month. We haven't seen a decline.
Income growth sounds
the
like,
income
and payroll
growth-
growth sounds like a big indicator for you.
Yeah, so we're looking
Right.
for things that lead employment growth. And right now, those leading indicators of employment growth are actually at a 10-year low.
Okay.
So we have a pretty confident outlook that the rate of employment growth is going to continue falling, and that's going to have some adverse impacts on consumption, which is the last leg of this stool that hasn't really given out.
So keep your eye out on continuing fall in interest rates.
Yes, keep your
All
eye
right.
out for continued decline in interest rates, and keep an eye on consumption, because that's the last thing that hasn't started to really decelerate yet.
Great. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.